Hello students, as you know that the NCERT numerical problems on physics have been included in your syllabus, and now in the board examinations these NCERT numerical problems can be asked directly without any change. So from today I am going to begin a series of lectures discussing the NCERT numerical problems. I will discuss one numerical problem in one video. That it means each video will be for a separate numerical problem. It's clear? So today I am going to start from the numericals on moving charges and magnetic. Numericals on moving charges and magnetic field, which is the chapter that I don't know which one is the chapter in your book. So see here, you can see here the first problem. A circular coil of wire 100 turns. Here it is the 4.1. Its number is 4.1 in the NCERT book. If you don't have NCERT book, you can download e-book from the CBSE website or from the NCERT. So from there you can get. Though here this numerical is visible to you. A circular coil of radius having 100 turns, each of radius 8 centimeter, carries a current of 0.40 ampere. What is the magnitude of the magnetic field B at the center of the coil? So see here, first you note down what are the things which are given. So you can see that N is given equals to 100 turns. Then radius R is given equals to 8 centimeter. This we can write as 8 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. It's clear. Then how much current is flowing through this circular coil? It is 0.40 ampere. This much current is flowing. You have to find the magnetic field B at the center of coil. Means you can see here I have drawn the diagram. This is the circular coil. It is the radius R. It is carrying current I. You have to find the magnetic field at the center of the coil. So what is the formula of magnetic field at the center of coil? You can see here B equals to, what is the formula? If you go at the formula, so you know that B equals to mu naught Ni upon 2R. It's clear. Now you substitute the values. So when you will substitute the values, you will find that mu naught is how much? It is 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7. Pi into 10 power minus 7. N is given 100. I is given 0.4. And 2 into R. That is 2 into 8 into 10 to the power minus 2. Now you simplify the 10 powers. So see here it is 4 pi into 0.4. 10 to the power minus 7 into 100, that is 10 to the power minus 5. It's clear. Divided by 2 8 ja 16. And when this 10 to the power minus 2 will go in numerator, it will become 20 to the power 2. So see here, it is 4 into 0.4, 1.6. Pi you can write 3.14 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by 16. When you will further simplify 1.6 upon 16, it is 0.1 into 3.14 into 10 to the power minus 3. You can write it as 3.14. 0.1 means 10 to the power minus 1 into 10 to the power minus 3. That is equals to 3.14 into 10 to the power minus 4. This Tesla. This is the answer. It's clear. This is the problem 4.1 in the chapter moving charges and magnetic. It's clear. Thank you.